video, I'm going to be showing you guys how people like you and I are making thousands of dollars on YouTube making use of AI generated music. This YouTube channel here called Breeze Mode. This channel was created last year, and the only thing they do is to generate AI music, put them together and upload them on YouTube. You can see they have 69 videos, and so far you can see they have accumulated over 14 million views on their YouTube channel. Now, according to Social Blade, this channel is making around $3,200 every single month, but these are just estimates. It could be more and it could be less, and the reason I believe that this channel could be making more than this is because their latest videos here are all 2 hours. So the more people watch, the more YouTube plays ads on the videos and the more money you make. And I know a lot of you guys may be thinking this channel is not monetized. Guys, this channel is monetized. This is one of their video here that I played, and you can see there is an ad on the video. And another way to know that the channel is monetized is coming over here, click on this 3 dots icon, and you will see these thanks right here. This is only available for monetized YouTube channel. If you're not monetized, you cannot turn this on. Now, I'm not just going to be showing you guys how to do it. I'll show you guys how to do it the right way so you don't get demonetized on YouTube. So the AI tool we are going to be using for our music generation is called InsMelo.com. If you want to follow along with me, I'm going to go ahead and leave my referral link in the video description down below. So over here you can see free AI song generator and maker. Create your own music online. Turn your idea into music. Creating music is never so easy and fun. So to start creating your music, all you need to do is to come over here and click on music generation. This is basically where it's going to take you. Now, before I even create a song here, let me quickly show you guys some of the core features of this AI tool so you understand how to use it better before even thinking of creating a song with it. Over here on the sidebar, you will see lyrics to song, and if I go ahead and click on it, this is basically where you can type your lyrics here, and the AI is going to use that lyrics to create a complete song for you with beats and everything. Now down here you can see text to song. Now with this feature, you don't even need to write the lyrics by yourself. All you need to do is to describe what you want. For example, you can tell the AI to create a song about heartbreak and click on create, and it's going to literally create the song from start to finish for you. You don't need to type the lyrics. Just go ahead and tell the AI what your song is about, and it goes out there and creates it for you. They also have another feature here, which is the image to music. So if you click on it right here, this is basically where you can upload an image, and the AI is going to generate a full song based on the image you upload here. Over here, this is where you can select the music genre you want to create. You can see rap and so many of them right here. Lyrics generator, this is basically where the AI help you generate lyrics for your song. So that is the use of this lyrics generator here. Now song name here, if you click on song name here, this is basically where the AI is going to create a song name for you. So just in case you have your own lyrics together, you have everything together, but you are finding it difficult to bring out a name for your song, all you need to do is to come over here and tell the AI what your song is all about, and it's going to help you with the name generation. So if you scroll down here, there are lots of them here: vocal remover, AI voice changer, AI song cover generator, AI sound effect generator, voice cloning, which means you can clone your voice here, and each time you want to generate a song, the AI make use of that same voice to create a song for you. Personally, I think this is a very good feature in this AI tool. So these are some of the features inside this AI tool. Now, so for me in this video, I'm going to be making use of lyrics to song because I've already written my lyrics. So I'm just going to go ahead, click on lyrics to song. So once you tap on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my lyrics right here. You can make use of the lyrics generator here. Just tell the AI what your song is all about, and it's going to automatically come up with a better lyrics. All you need to do is to copy it and paste it here, and then you generate your song. But for me, I already have my lyrics, so the next thing I'm going to do is to just come down here and click on create. You can also enter the title of the song right here. Again, they have an AI that can help you come up with title, so you can just go ahead and make use of it. Over here, this is where you can select the style or the genre of the song. You can select pop, rock, jazz, electronic, and down here you can see they're asking you to choose either random become male or female. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and select a male. Go ahead, click on create. So let's go ahead and wait for it to generate the song for us. Okay guys, so the AI has finished generating the songs. Now to see the songs you've generated, all you need to do is to come over here and click on my works. So this is basically where you can see all the music you have generated using the platform, and you can also see the one that you have favorites. So for me, these are the songs I generated. Now basically the AI is going to generate 4 songs using that same lyrics you gave it. So all you need to do is to go ahead and play the songs and choose the one you prefer and maybe delete the other ones. So these are the 4 songs it has generated for me. So let's go ahead and play each of them and see which one is better. So I'm first of all going to go ahead and play this one right here.
Dreams in your eyes, I saw my calling. Every little smile you gave to me felt like a place I'm meant to be. And when the world gets heavy on my soul, you pull me close, you make me whole. Baby, you're my light in the dark.
I love this one. Let's play the next one. I'm going to go ahead and hit on play again.
I remember nights we stayed up talking. Dreams in your eyes, I saw my calling. Every little smile you gave to me.
So these are all the songs the AI generated, making use of just one lyrics we gave it. So to download, all you need to do is to come over here and click on this download here. This is where you can select the formats you want to download the song. You can see MP3 here, WAV and MIDI. This is where you can rename the file here. Then you go ahead and hit on download. Now that we have generated the songs inside this AI tool, all we need to do is to make use of a video editing tool that we can compile a lot of songs inside one video, so we can get that long watch time, which is the reason why this particular channel here, most of their videos are over 2 hours. So let me show you guys how to do it. I am right here on the CapCut app. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on upload, drag it down here, go over to Gemini and generate an image. Let's say all the songs in that video are about love. All you need to do is to come over here to Gemini and generate an image that is related to love, so that when people click on it, they have that feeling of love. Alright, so after you download the image, come back to your video editing app again, import the image, drag it down here to the timeline. So now when the music is playing, this is going to be showing in the background, something like this one right here. You import all the songs right here on the timeline. It could be 10 songs, 20 songs. Just go ahead, add all of them inside your video editing tool right here. That is basically how these videos are made. Alright guys, so let's talk about doing this the right way on YouTube. Now the first thing YouTube is going to look at is where the songs are coming from. Are these songs copyrighted? Are these songs covers of other people's songs? Are these songs making use of other people's voices? Always make sure you go ahead and read YouTube community guidelines. If you do appreciate me making this detailed tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out anytime I drop another AI video just like this. And if you want to sign up with the platform, I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. Thanks for watching once again, and I will see you guys in the next one.